That then do?
Hey.
I lie.
Yeah, man. I'm a fool, girl. Yeah, a full blood clot, girl. When girl ready for yes, brother. When girl ready for shell down that now, where you go spend? You can't spend paper. Hey, a girl see you with thick Kyle, you know, say I ask for thick things. Hey, so the little chums the way you have over the Kyle, they can't go nowhere. Hey, flap yourself, man.
What was the man do that?
Yeah, man, cut up whole heap of newspaper up in a pocket, brother. Pretty up in a blood clot pocket like a big Kyle him a walk with.
So what do you think about the cash pot place and them place?
Cash pot gambling you know in our country. Boy, I'm not say good, you know. I'm not say bad. You see?
That drain man pocket,
How comes?
I don't know one in a drain to my pocket.
You
Where a man will live there, brother.
You know you want to live there, man? That's some man when I want to work. And money come easy out there, so you understand?
Where a base man no win.
Yeah, so a man not check that. Him just a check say him can win. Nah, check how much him a go lose. So, and that's how gambling go, brother. You have to work and I get money somewhere. You understand?
You're a gambler, so.
Yeah. And some man just take cash but to live in. Him nah go work nowhere. Everything him a do, I just cash but gambling. That him have to get eat and drink out of.
Yeah, some man lucky still, huh?
Yeah, some man really lucky. Him a win 5 times a day, but one I number for $30. So no sense no really in that. Just a waste blood clot time. And him now buy one number for 100, you know.
Yeah.
No man. $30.
So you know what them have 100 now for blood clot super lot, man?
No man, you're talking a cash pot.
Oh.
Your $30 number in my bag. When him win, him now win no money. Now $700 and him
And that makes no sense, man.
Him feel like him win. With the game same win.
And that makes no sense.
And if you're lucky, so you can win 5 times for one day. We not buy a good number and win a money. Buy pen a big money and win a good money, you know? Oh man, them man they coward. You go love the game. Some man no work now every 3 just cash back them buy every day, you know. Can't live so that can't pay me, brother. I have to go work. Yeah man, get my blood clot money, which cash back. I'm a spinny ball. Hey, when I go sure so I go win when this drop out.
You sure I'm money when you work though?
Boss have to pay me, else I go look for you. Must have to get paid when I work, brother. A man know what me and bad me up. And my work done, me have to get paid. No care bad that man is. Yeah, man.
Then suppose in work you no pay you.
Me no go for my money, brother. Yeah, man, me go for my money, man.
Oh, you go for your money?
If he can't give me enough free will, him have to give me enough force. Yeah, man, me a defend my money. Yeah.
Oh, you're different.
If you can't give me my money, me no lick you down for man or take some of your blood for you, brother.
Oh, you get some of my blood?
I chop you, man.
Cause some big boss talk, so they have big links to them something, you know. So.
Yeah, man, me no business, man. Me no hide and chop you, man. And lick down your bumbo clot, man. Yeah, man. I forget my money, man.
Yeah, some wicked boss out there still. You know?
Yeah, man. Me face you with 2 big stones. Just give me my money before me start fling them, yeah. Yeah. If you have gun, you have to go blood clot, shoot me, because I lick down your bumbo.
Yo, yeah, some boss out there still like work, some man and not pay them when they forget to them.
Hey, them man, they're just rob and thief, brother. No work with them kind of people.
But you know what kind of boss you work with?
Who, me? What kind of boss me I go work with?
Yeah, you're not gonna know who him until you start feel the consequences.
Same time I done him have to pay. If him no want to pay freely, him pay in a force. Yeah, man. Then me no work freely, man. No, just give me my money when me done work, brother. We have to make agreements to our money, you know. So when me done, you just give me that. If I daily or a job we do, you just give me money when me done. Yeah, you know, but tell me nothing blood clot more. Yeah, you must have some more work you want to give me.
So that means nobody never try to owe you it.
All the while.
Eh?
And put self in a trouble.
So give me a little something about that then, now, man. The
Yeah,
last
man,
man
a whole
over.
heap of man try with me and put self in a trouble, man. Whole heap of man.
Mm.
Yeah, man. One time I work with a man on a party garden. At around Friday, around Friday 2010 or them way there, you know.
Eh.
Him tell himself, say, yo, if I go try, him I go give me 15,000 a fortnight. And I said that, as well that. Anyway, me and him a burn iron around a party garden, cause one welder, you know. When fortnight come, that man say money delay and give me 1 8 grand. I said, but this hour, and if me fi go back. Anyway, me go back. Fortnight come again. That man tell me say money is delay and give me 6.
Keep on a decrease.
So the blood clot, this brother. This man now send me back to go suffer. What really I go on? A man tell me say cat that man a thief. Make him give your money a week time. Every week the college pay him. I say, alright brother. And him go back where work. Man give me 7. I said then this a fortnight? Him say yes brother, that little money him get. And if he come back Monday and when we done work, we go get one good money. I say, alright.
They really take that feel again, cat.
Yeah, and me go back. So we are go well up 2 goal posts down on the field. Yes, we well up iron, burn up iron, all the passing, flashing on my eye. We burn iron and put up goal posts. Yes, week done on Friday come. I check some me and this man I go left work now go bank. Like man go collect money long time having a pocket. Call me one side, give me 6,000.
Again.
Me hold him put it back in him pocket. And put me knife on him big blood clot belly and tell him say, no idiot you take me for. You take me for really fool for true man. Me nah let you go to the car, you go just dead to the bandits. Hear that pussy there how much me forget. I say, but watch all you to just give me my money man, cause you know what me forget. At 20, you didn't take out, give me all more what me forget. Yeah man. And I got that blood clot and tell him say, yeah, after this, me now work another day with you. And all the money where you owe me, I forget it. Yeah. So you know what me start do? Left every fortnight, go to a bank. Go wait for him. Yeah, me get 10,000, 14.
So you not call police for you?
For what? Them in a work for my money, them already. I just stop go, you know. Cause every time me going, last time me go at 7 and give me. Me tell myself, yeah, you know me now go back, me just stop. Cause I feel satisfied now. When me did I work, me neither get them breed of money there. Yes, me now get them money there, man. Welding work, me and the man I do, me not just general brother. Can't get no pay. I say, it's alright, this evening me now go home left my money, me and your ass clot. Jam him blood clot here, he come up with everything, man.
I enough to give and give.
Man, all enough to give me tell him say me now work back with you.
Kinda want a nice cutting belly.
No, man. Tell my brother about him now, you know something serious. Brother tell him say that man will kill you. I mean tell you already. Fuck do you. Mad man, can't work me some man. And time when we young, you know. We a man come and make one house. So we say, you know, all the way I go up there. Go look some my work. Him tell himself, say him can't give in a work. Cause him have him team. I say nothing wrong with that, brother. I use another week we here, so him say him want to see if we give it some work. When we go up there, man say them are cast excavation. They say, you know nothing. 3 days we work, you know. Yeah, we work like from Wednesday to Friday. I cook, you know. And then boy, I work hard, you know, brother. And then when evening when we forget pay such man say, Nah, I go pay no money this week, or last week he did pay a bill. So I say, you know, we have to go home left free with money this evening. Such man say yes, come on the man and the whole of we got just work on the side. So yeah, so that not sound bad kind of man. Really want a little work, we can work out the whole week or the whole month or whatever, you know. So that sound good. Rascal Monday morning when such man come, him come ignorant. Same now use not more animal stuff.
What you say?
So the rascal this. And no money now pay till Friday. So I said then this sound good.
This does sound good.
No brother. Them man I say them a good on back. Me say wait. Me not good on left my money. Or me have to work till Friday. Yeah. Such man say that can't go on and who no agree with that if he come take money.
What? That's what he say?
Yeah, Papa, one little short ass man, so you know. Say, but watch all him too. Me I look now and I think what we do to him. Because me not go down left my money, you know.
You don't know if you have gone on that?
Me no want to know. Me just want to know where me I go do him to get my money. And Lily man will from up so near Mr. Perry. He say, here one now. Father, here we go. Me nah go down left my money, you know. Him say him no have no money, youth, so you have to go do what you have to do. Me no bother make him done talk, you know. Me grab him up in a shirt up, yeah, and start twine up this blood clot and make breath start lock off. Yeah, man, and start tip him off a ground in space.
I kill him.
I kill that blood clot. That's for my money, man.
Sir.
Kick off a gun so like folk and shot, you know. Man, I tip him up in a man to a point barely a touch ground. Like a blood clot. I'm gonna pitch him where yes, Narandal. Pitch him in a one corner. It's a film ticket last, man. I buy 4 film and 3 girl go out. And I'm ready for go out. Girl say film one last.
PR1?
For such man ticket.
So, film ticket for last.
And me don't know one film name. Now I see it mark one film one special. Girl take you give better looking man. When you want to go out with.
That's such one too. Blood clot.
Yeah, ugly. I'm going over with him, brother. So how that look now to you?
Girl can him, man.
Such man I eat that one, cause you know, no? My first blood clot place, I live 3 and go on my yard with my one in. But the fuck me I give you 4 of them.
My first place at 2, me I buy one for this girl and one for me. Me now go out with 3 of marriage. Eh? Man chop up man a country for woman we not for them, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, yes, you come here and all the girl and like you and text it pan, you know, and everybody in a fear crew now, you wine the one, you wine the one, you wine over this one, him did the whole night can't get nothing for wine.
So him just get jealous and chop up you.
Yeah man, him hide you and chop you up in a bush. Yeah man.
So me as a Falkland man in the town one time, you know.
I don't know about that.
That's one of these days?
Yes,
Bother
Drizzy.
with that.
Drizzy. You say one time if you got a Falkland go look at a girl, like you left and bum broke her anyway, you check a girl at Falkland man in stone you. You
If
can't
you
can't get no girl running
if you try to fight the girl, you have to leave.
No go so. Man, he does not want
He
no out
never
at
live
all.
round there, brother. Now listen to him. If you try fight that girl, you have to leave.
And if you
get
try fight
beaten
nothing
till you're
Drizzy.
weak.
Just left and yeah, you meet a girl
No,
round there.
brother.
And you left stone it go round there. You have to run. Big stone pitch up on you round there.
We don't have to do
You must have them my lad down there.
You don't want no man come get no woman round there.
Or outer port man them.
One you know come from Janga Gully.
First thing, when we are run around there, no man now come on. If we make party, nobody now come. So, we know that we lick down no man. If a girl come in with him man, him loyal in our village. You understand?
So, you.
Yes, but if him try war with a cat here, brother, remember me tell you, him have to left out fast and win come.
Yes, if you try war with that cat,
Him
yeah.
just try war the cat here. One day make one man here.
You.
He left the village fast and come, brother. Yeah, man.
And not some years ago.
No, then I go tell you it so.
Cause man say go look through man on the two blood. Cause man say brother me have to run.
Maybe him come the wrong night. When a violence night. Yeah, man. I just say go, man. A wrong night him come. You never hear man say then up a wrong place at the wrong time. Yeah, man. A wrong night him come.
So you just go check this girl on the wrong night.
Wrong
I
night
just
him
assume
come,
say,
brother.
I just
Yeah,
say go.
I just say go. And I just say go. Some violence that happen that night, a man just take you out pan him. and it bring him and now you see him. You understand? Anything you see strange in the night, you get licked down.
That mean
Yeah.
that mean I only the out of run because no man can out of run now, no. Hear about this, I try. Calm down this. One the most involved in you know.
We did that up around there, yes, but at your fall.
They will tell you you have to your car.
I
But
just,
go and sit down.
I just beat and chop up people whether this behave.
Cause here now.
Yeah, man, if you disbehave, we beat you and chop you up, man. And if you come in here and sell nothing and no one give you no lick down your blood. What you mean? You cannot come in our village just and sell so straight and make money. You forget. You forget.
You don't forget
Oh, you mean? From them days there we are collect.
You pay your money if you buy her, you cut your hair past me things.
We buy it to man.
Then
When you sell to mummy, now we buy from him.
yeah, but me not forget it.
Then, no man, you have to give it, man. Your blood clot, man. You cannot come every day and sell tobacco and weed.
I can't give you nothing
Buy
free.
the whole light straight from you, pack up in a shop, and now we have to go find money now if you buy back from mommy. You know.
So if you go.
Then when you come, you can't give it nothing.
No.
And when we there, we are go beg mommy. Mommy, put a spliff on we board. Give me a spliff, and I buy him if you buy
Then
from
the
you.
mum in a year, I come from out a year, brother.
You have to give else you can come back here. Blood clot,
That
man.
come like hold on and take
No,
the
hold
business.
down and take. You just pay if you live, brother.
No, man,
No,
hold
man.
on and
You
take.
did help we build a village, yeah? You know that village,
You
build?
don't build the village.
No,
just
how you
live in the
mean?
village.
Me Billy with machine cleaning up. Whole heap of work me doing at this village. You know help we build this. You know this village build. You just come in now, come see it pretty. You can't sell and make money. Who you pay if you come in?
Me not
Eh?
deserve to pay no.
Yes, man. You have to pay, brother.
It's a free community.
And no government clean this and no government build this. You can't, you have to pay. This and no government maintain this. You
And-
good at thing I do what me I tell you. We clean from back to main road, you know. And
Then you live there, you know, make your place
then
clean.
so you have to pay if you can drive, come in, come sell.
You have a thing up here on the place of a
Everything
blood
have to
clot,
pay.
machine slap on now and on
Chicken
the
back
side.
chuck, bread chuck, drinks chuck.
What?
Everything have to pay. Ice cream, man, everybody have to pay.
You
But
hear me say?
you mad?
Only pay me and pay one machine slap on now and on the side.
Well, you can't do that and no, so well you did buy spotter symmetry. You have enough body if you take chop and stab. Yeah.
Slap in your ass and jump in my vehicle and
Well, your vehicle a go mash up. No, that a go. That man dey pan alert you fuck. Right along the road, weapon dodge. Man dey pan the roadside right through the day and night. You can't get away.
That real wicked man
Yeah,
back then.
man, and the police afraid. Yes, brother.
police couldn't come there.
Police alone afraid. And hear them man they check in, brother.
You
You have to
believe
take
up.
yourself for a couple man
So,
gone
so,
at
so
jail.
in a only be easy then we just call police so we go sell around
You
it.
know what I mean?
Oh, no can't do
You
nothing.
no can't pay police for that.
You're telling someone around there I get trouble, man.
Yeah.
The police know that.
The middle
Police
stuff
are gonna
out
make
there.
sure telling us so now if you go give them boys something when I go around there. So the police know say we're around there. But who no can't pay police for guide on the whole day if you sell around there.
I mean,
No, brother, then in a better no give you your money then. And go and sell, brother. Give you your money then and go and sell, man.
I know Salah go and me feel say Stinger was the baddest man around there.
One of them.
one of the
Stinger dangerous boy, not you see? Me see a man up
No,
town and
what?
shake cat and what you know. Stinger said, no, don't come to the Dan too so near. Cat said, good man, him can shake him man. Cause the man don't fly down from foreign.
yeah.
So man like him and a shake cat too long. Stinger said, no, you shake hand too long now, brother. Let go the boss hand.
Oh, good kid.
Man, I said, kill no Stinger. Stinger said, yo, me say, Yeah, watch your man hand too long and you hold the man hand too tight too. Leg of the man hand.
And them days, the brother, if you come in for sell herb, we say you want to go on now. Give you a piece of weed. And I weed, man, that way I buy. If you give a piece of weed, you're good, you know.
Yeah.
You can't just go sell all you have and gone with your wallet for money. But if you see you go on like you can't give you no weed, yeah, man, all in there so you can take where your weed off I counter. Yeah, man.
I didn't care.
Do what?
Me have to kill one and make you kill me back in, but me nah go no my weed.
That power not did it for you.
Cause me come with
No,
10
that
pound of
that
weed
killing power not did it for you. You have to try to protect yourself from no dead.
Cause me come with
Yeah,
10
you
pound of
can.
weed now if you make $10, me will give you a pound.
You don't have to give a pound.
And if me give you yes, I have to
You can't give a all quarter pound, man.
Me nah go no
And
none.
we good, man.
Me nah go no none.
Just full up a boat, man.
Me will kill one now.
One time we did this a man come. Whole heap of man come back at him. But when me look at him, I see him area man them. I escort him, carry him, come and shop ya. Say him want weed for sale. So me tell him, say go on in his shop, brother in his shop, go make brother look for the weed. Yes, when him go in there, pull out weed pan counter. Yes, me a brother, I see a good weed. Yes, me go in.
You're going.
I take a look on the weed, ya papa. When me look on weed look pretty. Me say, yeah, me no brother. Me want to see that weed ya go out at the door. Kinda sort kinda dark.
Kinda dark, yeah.
Yeah, me want to see this good out at the door in a light.
Yeah.
When me step out a shop with this and look, weed pretty as fuck, big long brown paper out of weed, you know, whole heap, you know. Me step out and tell him, say, me I beg you this, you know.
Really, cat?
But yeah, I beg you.
The weed
you
when
want
cap
weed,
on
you
for
can't.
sell.
You will like it.
Yeah.
You're mad,
You're
man.
wicked, man.
You're mad, your
So
blood
what
clot,
me
man.
me can
You
beg you
come
this.
back in a week and shoot you.
Well, you have to do that.
Cat, the one man with the one.
That me say, man.
Alright, further the argument, further the
Me beg
argument.
you this, brother, man, laugh. Me step again. He marks brother where me at. The brother tell him, say that man, I say, my beg you, man. So, he must step to me. Me tell him, say, brother, me I beg you this. Him say, him can't give me. Me say, well, alright. If you can't give me,
Where are David?
you don't know what I go on. Me I take it. Yeah, brother. Yeah, man, and me take it, brother.
Eh?
Yeah, man, him can't give me, but me can take it. Yeah, man, me tell him, say me I take it.
You screw up on your door.
Yes, him scoop on himself.
That's
Me-
Christ, cat.
Me take it and go up on one little bank, go stand up like this, so, and him down in a road, they all look up on me. So, no, Papa, me kinda want this. Me
You gone with the
can't
man
give you
with-
back nothing.
Why get a wicked thing, man, sir?
Beg him, ask everybody if them a make the man take him weed. The man say them can't do nothing. Man, I feel just look. As him gone, man, come and check me for a split. Me say I couldn't take it from him. Look how far on the bite him come from with it. Eh? And no, like when I did afraid to take it. Yeah, man. Cause you know when I get to, you know, some man a hypocrite, you know.
I know him go lose it, but
Some
him
man
still
no
a
want their
follow him.
name called to police, nor no bad man a look for them, nor nothing. So then nah take nothing. But from me take him and help me bunny out to ashes, you know. But a man nah help dead for me, you know. Yeah, but you me know me a road boy and me can't defend me thing a road. And me and my brother them roll, you know. And we a bad man everywhere we go.
Brother, no easy, you know, brother
Yeah.
say, man say want it.
Yeah, brother tell him, say
You
the
know
man
me a
say
fuck up one
man.
of them in no jersey.
Yeah, man.
Somehow me a kill one of no blood
So,
clot.
so cat, suppose that you know going a man here go sell some weed.
Me no give man some herb for go and smoke till me forward from up I weed, man. Me go sell this, and if this sell off and me can buy no 2 beer and me a come back, me no buy no 2 beer and gone, brother. Promise you no say next week when me a come, me can have one better draft food. Hey, what wrong with that? Hey, yeah, go like you just have to sell everything and go back with every money. No, man, and a start run, brother. Earth no run, so man. You just give man them some weed, make the man them cut up and smoke and feel nice. Sell weed and come back and say, brother, you want to buy a drink and see next week when I come back, carry a hot draft phone, maybe you never go back there so again go sell weed.
But you know,
But you just make your way out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make your way back out, brother. Yeah, man.
Some man live too free to you, man.
I'm not too free, man. Man, clean up them village and maintain the village, man. I want the power way to survive, to you know, brother. And see, man, I pay excursion at town. What you think, say? What you feel like?
Because I couldn't live at town, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, now go pay, you know.
You know, collect it then?
Yeah, me collect it.
But you want pay.
Me nah pay.
You're a blood clot dead.
Me dead.
Yeah, you want pay, but you will collect it. Yeah, me will pay, brother. Yeah, man, I mean, not pay like me an idiot, you understand? But on a certain situation, you can't too tight, brother. One man, and we sit down on the block, you know. Same way like this, you know, man, come on. Turn up a little cripple man buy weed, you know. Turn up a sheriff, gone with him weed, run gone in. Hear the raw soul now. Gone in, sheriff, they on him bed, sit down, cripple up. Him spread out weed pan sheriff bed after we a call him like up a shop, yeah, so. Him turn off up a hill, gone up a sheriff. Well, we go up a sheriff. Yeah, man, we go up a sheriff.
You're not alive?
Yeah, man. And just go take up the pass, yeah, 5 bed, cause sheriff can't get up, you know. So him now have to go defend for himself in a sheriff house.
Yes.
So we just take up this blood clot off a sheriff bed and wrap it up and step out.
Yeah.
Him a look for the old man can't do nothing to
Can
help.
cripple?
Yeah, cripple man this on him bed.
Yeah.
Old man start call Fame son.
Yeah.
From up a Fame yard, you know. Call down Boomy. Boomy. Boomy come down. And sheriff, Boomy! Boy, don't come here, Robby. Come here, Boomy. Boomy come down. When Boomy him come down, hear him step down to it. Old man. Ask man say, old man, your blood clot. Go suck your mother. I run on from Boomy blood clot. And start fuck up Boomy. Hear the cripple man in him bed. Boy, you worthless no blood clot. You mean to say the boy didn't come here to kill your whole man in a bed in a cripple bed and you can't defend it a rascal? If I did have me slingshot, I shoot your ass.